Hi guys, this is lesson 4-2, part 1. I can read, write, and solve addition and subtraction equations. Here I have 3 plus 2 equals 2 plus 3. In this example, I have two expressions. I have this expression and this expression. Together, the entire thing with the equal sign makes it an equation. The equal sign shows that both sides of the equation are equal. I know that's true because 3 plus 2 is 5. The commutative property tells me when I add, it does not matter the order. On the other side of the equation, I have 2 plus 3, which is also 5. Since each equation equals the same amount, I know that they are equal. If I look at the second problem, I have an expression 3 minus 2, and I have an expression 1 plus 3. But in the middle, I have this symbol. It's an equal sign with a slash through it. That means not equal. So, on this side of the equation, I know 3 minus 2 is 1. On this side of the equation, I know 1 plus 3 is 4. So, both sides are not equal. Therefore, I use this symbol. Okay, now I'm going to take a look at some inverse operations. Inverse means opposite. So, to do that, I'm going to take a look at this equation. So I have a sum or total of 81. That is made up of two addends, 72 and 9. If I add those together, I would get 81. So I could say 81 equals 72 plus 9. My drawing is called a break apart drawing, and it helps me find all of the related addition and subtraction equations. So the first one is 81 equals 72 plus 9. Another one would be 81 equals 9 plus 72. Because the commutative property says it doesn't matter the order of my addends. So, let's see. I could also write it so that I have 72 plus 9 equals 81. And, of course, 9 plus 72 equals 81. So I have found 4 addition equations. Now I'm going to do the inverse. So the opposite of addition is, of course, subtraction. So if I found 4 addition, I should be able to find 4 subtraction. So I could start out by saying, okay, 81 minus 9 gives me 72. I also could say 81 minus 72 gives me 9. Let's see. I could also take that 72 and say 72 equals 81 minus 9. And I could say 9 equals 81 minus 72. So now I have found all 8 of my related addition and subtraction equations. The reason I need to know how to do this is so I can solve equations like this. Here I have 60 equals 20 plus p. P is my variable. I need to figure out what p equals. To do that, I'm going to do the inverse. This is addition, so I know I will use subtraction to solve my equation. So I'm thinking I could take 60 minus 20, which gives me 40. Let's check. I'm going to substitute 40 for p and see if it makes my equation true. So 60 equals 20 plus 40. Whoops, that's a 6. 40. So 20 plus 40 is 60, which is what I have here. So yes, that actually worked. Today, you learned how to solve addition and subtraction equations, and we used our inverse operations.